Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Got a new AirTag and looking for the best way to carry it? You might want to check out this versatile option from Vaja. Perfect as a bag charm, luggage tag, or even attached to a keychain, the Vaja AirTag Leather Shell is a great way to carry your AirTag in style. Handcrafted from premium full-grain leather from Argentina, the Vaja AirTag case features a clever magnetic closure system so your AirTag is well protected, yet easy to remove if necessary. Let's check out this product in greater detail. Unboxing the AirTag Leather Shell is a pleasure. Got a beautiful little box here. Vaja does a great job with presentation. So opening this up, we've got our AirTag Leather Shell inside. It's quite small, although certainly not the smallest of AirTag holders that I've encountered. But I would say it's probably the most beautiful. So we have a lining here in contrasting red leather with some Vaja branding on that. Beautiful leather on the exterior. This is premium full grain Argentinian leather. They're really big on their leather there at Vaja. Then we have a magnetic closure here so that when you put your AirTag inside, this closes magnetically. Then you also have a little bit of a closure here with your elastic band, and then you can attach this onto whatever you want. It's perfect for a bag charm. It's also great for a briefcase or a suitcase or something like that. You could use it on your keychain, although it is a little bit on the large side. It's definitely bigger than the product that I recently reviewed by Nomad. The Nomad leather loop is quite a bit smaller, but the Nomad leather loop is also not nearly as protective. Your AirTag is exposed all the way around the edges, plus this one is attached on with 3M adhesive, meaning that once you stick it on, you really cannot take it off without basically rendering it useless. It's not going to damage the AirTag, but you're not going to be able to use this leather loop again unless you can find the right sort of adhesive to re-stick it. The Vaja AirTag Leather Shell, on the other hand, does not use any kind of adhesives. Super easy to get your AirTag in as well as out. So let's put our AirTag inside. You just slide it in and then close it up. That's it. So you've got a magnetic clasp holding it in here. It's really pretty secure. Plus you also have the loop here at the top. And then you got gravity on your side as well. I really don't think this is going to come out accidentally, but if you need to take it out, it's quite easy to remove your AirTag. Just slide it out. It makes it very easy to change the battery or change to a different AirTag holder if you are looking for a different look. So speaking of that, let's check out the other color that Vaja sent me. This is their Amberglow color. Kind of an attractive orangey color. This one has a matching color leather on the interior, but still has the Vaja branding on it. Still really beautiful, beautiful leather. And again, super easy to get your AirTag in. Very secure way to carry it. Again, size-wise in comparison with the Nomad leather loop. Going to be thicker because it's providing a lot more protection, and it's a little bit wider but not hugely. It's mostly a thickness thing, but I think overall just really an excellent way to carry your AirTag around. Plus super beautiful. Again, we've been looking at the Vaja AirTag Leather Shell. This product is available directly from Vaja, and it has an MSRP of $39 or can be bought in sets of 4 for $140. It comes in the lovely black and Amberglow colors featured in this review, as well as red, blue, pale yellow, and multicolor. Many thanks to the kind folks at Vaja for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.